Please put your from Green House. And Manasha from Yellow House.
All the very best, girls. Give your best. Come on, girls. Chuck them in there.
Come on, houses, cheer your representative.
Appreciate them. They are playing for you guys.
Come on, Green House. Come on, Blue House.
Blue House is going to win. Come on, Blue House. Yes, go for it.
Come on, Yellow House and Red House. Show your power.
Blue House, you have to win.
Come on, Green House.
Yes, Blue House, go for it. You have to win. Come on. Come on, Archie.
Come on, Seal. Come on, Letty. Come on, Mana.
Come on, Zee.
Come on, the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be
Congratulations, Red House.
Friday night and I won't be till I hear the dancer, I got all I need. No,
And the war is started.
Come on, Dave.
Come on, Ayush. Come on, Vijay. You can do it.
another star, you fade away. Afraid I am out of sight. Wanna see us
Keep serving. Blue House is the best.
Where
Come
are
on.
you now? And I live under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Under the dream. The monster's running wild inside me. I'm faded. You were the shadow to my life.
Come on, Mateen. Come on, Vijay.
Come on, Dave. You have to win.
Under the star, you fade away.
Audience, please cheer them up.
It's out of sight. Wanna
Judy,
see
your
us
houses, they are playing for you. Come on.
alive. Where are you now? And I live under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now?
Come on, Ayush. Come on, Dave. Come on, Vijay. Come on, Mateen.
Under the sea.
Yes, Dave, you can do it. Come on.
You were the shadow to my life. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid I am inside of sight.
Come on,
Wanna
Dave.
see
Yes, you can do
us
it.
alive.
Come on, Ayush. Come on.
Dave, you have to win.
And I live under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Under the dream. The monster's running wild
Yes,
inside
yes,
me.
you can do it.
You were the shadow to my life. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid I
Come on,
live
Vijay, you
inside
can
of
do it.
sight.
Come on.
Wanna see us alive.
contestants, you got a chiku to grab.
The water's running wild inside of me. I'm faded.
Cheer up your house representatives, audience.
Come on, Green House, you can do it!
Come on, audience, make some noise. I think this war is going to last for long. Come on, Matin. Come on, Vijay. Come on, everyone, boost their spirit. Participation no one will the ground.
चलो બધા પાછા જાઓ.
Go to your place.
દેવ ઉભો થા. દેવ ઉભો થા. દેવ આવ.
All other non-participating students will sit at their respective place.
Come on, contestants, you can do it. Audience, cheer them up.
Come on, girls, you can do it. Come on, Annie. Come on, Khushi. Come on, Seal. Come on, Dia.
आर्यन दोनों गज बाकी जा रही है
Come on, boys. Show your strength.
दूसरी जने आ रही है लो ए ऊपर जा keep on walking keep on walking
How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Loudly, how is the Josh? Come on, please. Yes. So we got the winner.
Congratulations, Aryan.
हलवा
Skipping race and tri-leg race. And to announce the names of the winners, I would like to invite Miss Huma and Miss Jigna.
Sitting over here. Shabash, shabash. Very good. अब कुछ आवाज आ रही है. On second place, we have Vijay Makia, Dev Mehta, Ronak Bijani, Dodia Dev. Please move fast. Yes, good answer, very good. Shabash, shabash. Shabash. Okay. The winner of relay race is Red House. Love to come in. बेटा तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, कहीं से भी आवाज आनी चाहिए। राम, पेरेंट्स आर वेरी टायर्ड। Now it is time for girls, 9th standard girls. On the third place we have Mehta Pankti, Dabi Puja, Arzu Nobi. Okay, on now second place. The winner is Blue House and the participants are Kajal Vegad, Bhavika Chaudhary, Soni. From the morning you are sitting. अरे यहाँ से तालियों की आवाज नहीं आ रही है, तालियां बजाओ, थक गए क्या? And the winner of relay race. Okay, 11 standard boys, please ready. On the third place we have Drashya, Chauhan Imran, Mohammad Ratnani, Sahil Deraiya. तालियां बजाओ, हाँ वेरी गुड, शाबाश, तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए।
उभं અહીંયા જો
And the participants are Dakshesh Al, Joshi Vishal, Samuel De Silva, Abdul Chirkali. Baton relay girls of 11th standard. On the third place we have Kajal Swain, Neha Bhatia, Lakshmi Priya and Parmar Parita. Please come forward. Kinjal Chauhan, please come forward. First place is Red House. The participants are Kairavi Thakkar, Tanisha Shah, Sania Kolia, Prachi Parbar. Please come forward. and collect your medals.
વર્ષ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સની સેવામાં સ્કૂલની સેવામાં વિતાવ્યા છે અને આજના સ્પેશિયલ ગેસ્ટ વિનોદ સરને હું વિનંતી કરું કે આગળના પ્રાઇઝ જે છે તેઓ તેમના હસ્તે આપી અને સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને પ્રોત્સાહિત કરે. વિનોદ સરનું જોરદાર સ્વાગત. શકીલ સર,
Come on, sir! Come on, Vijay! Now from junior girls. On the third place we have Pankti Mehta. On the second place we have Kajal Vegad. And PT Usha of Fatima Convent is Almeida Priscilla. On the third place we have Vatsal Mawani. He is from Greenhouse. Drashya Dave, he is from Blue House. Among senior we have a fastest man of Fatima Convent High School. That's none other than Dakshes Al. 100 meter. On the third place we have Kajal Swain. Kajal Swain. He is from Blue House. She is from Blue House, sorry. Karina Saha. She is on second place. She is from Greenhouse.
Ninth standard girls. First Marna, second place from Yellow House. And Tolokya Naitri Greenhouse at third position. Winners. Now higher secondary boys section. At first position we have Sandhi Aryan from Yellow House. Second position Fosdar Salman from Red House. And at third position Bakani Rutvik from Green House. And higher
I request Sister Lucy, the CBSE principal, to distribute the coming prizes. Please, Sister Lucy. Requested to be attentive when their names are announced and run to the place where they are supposed to be.
Now girls are Neitri Dorakia, Kajal Chudasma, Maria Zaveri.
મારી આગળ છે
Neitri at first place. First is Sagar Ragicha, second is Akshay Makwana, and third is Malgani Manan. Girls are Janki Makwana, Bansriba Rajvi, Anjali Wagela. Leg race boys 9th standard, and the winners are Vijay Dharmesh Chudasma,
You both are in first place from greenhouse.
second is Aditya Chudasma, Ashish Dabi,
Both from blue house.
Chudasma, Arzu Nobi,
And first place from greenhouse.
second Archie Shah, Hina Makwana,
From blue house.
third place Nandini Jasolia, Komal Dihora.
From yellow house.
Drashya Dave and Ratnani Mohit Raza.
They are from blue house.
Second place Vatsal Wagela, Rohan Beli.
From yellow house.
Third place Bhargav Goswami, Gopal Dapa.
From green house.
આવે એવું વાતાવરણ
Rai Kajal Swain,
From blue house. And at third position
Aarti Desai, Kairvi Thakkar.
from red house.
Now next event is long jump boys from 9th.
હું પ્રજ્ઞા દેવ અને યશ તું કોટવાળી છો તું વચ્ચે બેસી જજે કાચો લીંબુ
Long jump girls, Kajal Vegad, first position. Kajal Chudasma, second position. Jyoti Chudasma, third place. Higher secondary long jump. Winners are Bhargav Goswami, first place, Greenhouse. Darpan Jasolia, second place, Yellow House. Long jump, higher secondary girls, and winners are Pragya Rai, first place, Blue House. Tanisha Shah, Red House, second place. Bansriba Rajaili, third place, Green House.
Now I request Neelam Miss to distribute the prizes or announce the names of the winners of skipping race.
Good morning, all of you. I hope that you all enjoyed the school day. We all enjoying right now. So today I have a list of the winners for the race. Now, for the next event, same as skipping race. Where is the third? Can we Rajiv Group? Now, higher secondary girls, event name skipping race.
Thank you, Neelam Miss.
Thank you.
Now Miss Jigna will announce the winners of other race, starting with Lemon School.
In secondary girls, number 1, Krishna Masani from Greenhouse.
Isha Masani from Greenhouse at first place.
Second place, Maria Zaveri from Yellow House. And third place, Fatima Lokhandwala. Higher secondary boys, first, Vatsal Mamani from Greenhouse. Second, Kailash Thakkar from Yellow House. Third, Abhisha from Red House. Secondary
Parita Parmar from Blue House. Bansriba Rawalji from Green House. Aishwarya Dodeja from Yellow House.
Now I would like to
Secondary girls, event in short put. First place is Himani Badeka from Green House. Second place, Jasmine Saini from Yellow House. Third place, Suhani Mehta from Red House. Higher secondary boys, first place, Lakshmi Priya Acharya from Blue House. Tanisha Shah, Red House. Third place, Rushita Gohil, Green House.
Rushita Goyal, third position from Green House. Rushita Goyal.
Short put boys, second higher secondary, first place, Muhammad Hadi from Red House. Second place, Nikunj Joshi from Green House. Third place, Parthraj Raul from Yellow House. Okay, the event name is Safe Race. Higher secondary boys, first place, Divya Shah from Blue House. Second, Varun Sharma from Red House. Third place, Ronak Pinjani from Green House. Secondary girls, first place, Vanshika from Red House. Second place, Jasmine from Yellow House. Pooja, third place from Green House. Sek Race Boys, Higher Secondary, first, Imran Chauhan from Blue House. Second, Akshay Makwana from Red House. Aryan Sandhi, third place, Yellow House. Imran Chauhan, Sek Race Girls, Higher Secondary, first place, Pragya Rai from Blue House. Second place, Bansriba Rawalji from Green House. Third place, Andy Sachdev from Red House.
Thank you, Jigna Miss.
Yes.
100-meter hurdle girls. The first place, Parita Parmar, 100-meter hurdle. Second place, Janki Makwana. And third place, Krina Shah. blue house, yellow and green. Who is at first, who is at second, who is at third? That is finally we want to decide who is the champion. Shakil sir has taken a great efforts to decide. The ranking was like this, the students, if is getting gold medal, then the house will get.
Call the red house people to come and sit on the right side of me. Hurry up, come on. Before we announce the result of the house, all the students of
Green.
All students will sit at their place. Sit down.
all of you are requested to sit down, please. The basketball boys.
Teachers behind your group.
There was a 24-hour non-stop under-19 basketball tournament organized by St. Francis School in Jamnagar. The tournament was held on 9th and 10th of February, and in all 8 teams across the state had participated, and the players of the team were Abdul Kalam Chirakali, please come here, Drashya Dave, Harsh Patel, Ravin Vora and Rushal Kholia.
These winners.
हाँ તમે આવી જાઓ યસ ઉભા રહેજો ઉભા અરે ના યસ
To get honored. Now, let me give some brief information how the champion of today was decided. As you all know, the student is getting gold medal and the group was given 3 points, silver medal then 2 points, and the bronze medal then 1 point. I'm going to announce the name in descending order. So obviously we will get the winner at the end. Yes, sister.
The group will have to wait. We have to take a photograph with the teachers and the cap and the wrist and all that. Okay, so don't get scattered. Okay, each group.
Each group. Now this trophy is for champion group. Now we start in descending order. Yellow house is getting 52 points. We have to cheer up them. Now there is a tough competition at second and third place. Third place is Blue House with 80 points. And second place is Red House and the champion is Green House. Red House with 82 points, Green House with 89 points. So, the leader of Green House, Vijay Mayantia, who has also secured get honored by our chief guest and guest of honor. Now finally I request
કેપ્ટન જ વિજય હતો એટલે વિજય ગ્રીન હાઉસ નો જ હોય.
yes.
Yes, ready. हाथ नीचे ऊपर. Yes. કોનું પાડવું?
All parade. Attention. Standees.
हाँ ठीक है चलो.
Okay, tomorrow do we have school? We have parent teachers meeting at 10 o'clock, okay? 10 o'clock. Come and go. Volunteers will have to stay back to keep all the things back. You had a great day. You were very well seated in your place. Thanks a lot for each one of you. And have a lovely, happy, lively day ahead, okay? Disperse. Volunteers, come here. Anybody who wants to help us to remove the flag, remove the pot, all those, okay? Very good. Keep it up.
ગીતામાંથી કાઢ નાખી.